Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to paint this beautiful Ganesha painting on canvas. This is the acrylic medium painting on 12 by 16 canvas. So without wasting much time, let's get started. If you like my today's video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Here I have taken a simple stretched canvas and applied gesso, and after finishing that I've just finished a simple sketch of ganeshji, and now I'm applying the blue shades. One I have taken ultramarine blue and the other one is cobalt blue. Both I am using it here. I am using camlin acrylic colors. By the help of flat brush I am just doing the background. After finishing the background, now I have taken acrylic marker, or you can go for acrylic colors only. I have taken royal blue color pen and black. Both I am giving the outline. With the help of the black pen, I am giving the outline to the whole Ganeshji sketch. Let me finish it now. Now I have taken royal blue color acrylic marker pen and just giving the scribbling technique here. You can make any design of your choice. I'm just simple scribbling I'm doing here. Scribbling technique I have used to all over the painting. Now I'm doing the hand. I'm applying the brown color for the jewelries. If you like my today's video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and it gives really a motivation for me to do more art related videos. Please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Now I am completing this with the brown color. If you are taking the acrylic color, you can go for burnt sienna color or raw sienna color. Now I have finished the jewelry part. Let me continue with the other part here. Now take 000 brush and load the black color to it and give more detailing of designs on all over the painting. Let me finish it and show you how it looks now. Like this, and finish it all over the canvas. Now for the face I have directly applied lemon yellow color. I have not mixed any other yellow there. And for the lines on the trunk and ears and tilak I have used orange color, orange mixed with the red color. Now I have completed this painting. It's a very easy and beginner friendly painting. I hope you enjoyed my today's video. If you like my today's video, please do like, share and kindly support, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.